Hey everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Naveen. Today we are going to talk about the top 5 alternatives to the Yoast SEO plugin for optimizing your WordPress site. If you want to boost your blog or website search engine rankings, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Number 1. Rank Math. Rank Math is a free and powerful SEO plugin. It offers features like keyword rank tracking, 404 monitoring, and SEO analytics. It's very user-friendly and provides more features compared to Yoast, making it a great choice for optimizing your site. Number 2. All-in-one SEO. This plugin is an excellent option for both beginners and advanced users. It includes features such as XML sitemaps, Google Analytics support, and SEO content analysis. It's as popular as Yoast and provides a robust solution for your SEO needs. Number 3. SEOPress. SEOPress is a user-friendly plugin that helps you optimize your SEO titles, meta descriptions, and social media sharing tags. It comes with features like XML and HTML sitemaps, Google Knowledge Graph, and custom schema markup, making it a comprehensive SEO tool. Number 4. The SEO Framework. This plugin is lightweight and fast, ensuring your site speed is not affected while optimizing for SEO. It provides automated SEO and AI-based suggestions for meta tags. Best of all, it's completely ad-free, offering a clean and efficient user experience. Number 5. Squirrly SEO. Squirrly SEO is designed for users who are not SEO experts. It includes features like a live SEO assistant, content reports, and keyword research tools. This plugin provides real-time SEO suggestions to help you optimize your content effectively. These top 5 alternatives to the Yoast SEO plugin for optimizing your WordPress site can significantly boost your SEO strategies. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We'll also add the link in the description below. Join our Facebook group for support and help with GeoDirectory, WooCommerce, BuddyPress, and WordPress. It's a great place to ask questions, share your experiences, and connect with others who have the same interests. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, BuddyDevelopers, for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.